Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log in to the Carinmillar Institute as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you must type in eLearn Carinmillar. That is eLearn Carinmillar login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard, and then tap on the first link. Here you'll have to enter your email or username, and then hit search to first activate your account and set up a password. You can then head back over and then tap on the second link. You may have to verify that you are a human. Tap on My CMI, after which, if you're logged in with another Microsoft account, you'll have to tap on Use Another Account, and then you'll have to enter your username, hit Next, and then enter your password to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.